Ovulation is the rupture of the mature follicle and the release of its egg and the cells surrounding it. It typically takes place around day 14 of the ovarian cycle. The following dramatic changes take place the day before ovulation, ensuring it will happen. First, estradiol stimulates a surge of luteinizing hormone and a lesser spike in follicle-stimulating hormone. LH induces several events. For example, the primary oocyte completes meiosis I, producing a haploid secondary oocyte and the first polar body. Then the follicle swells to an astounding size and the pre-ovulatory follicle bulges from the ovary like a blister. Macrophages and leukocytes secrete enzymes that weaken the follicular wall, and a nipple-like stigma appears on the ovarian surface over the follicle. With mounting internal pressure and a weakening wall, the mature follicle approaches rupture. Eventually, follicular fluid leaks from the stigma for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then the follicle finally bursts. The remaining fluid oozes out into the pelvic cavity, carrying the oocyte and the cumulus oophorus with it. All this time, the uterine tube has been preparing to catch the oocyte. It swells with edema, its fimbria envelop and caress the ovary, and its cilia create a gentle current in the nearby peritoneal fluid of the pelvic cavity. The oocyte and the oophorus are normally swept up by the ciliary current and taken into the uterine tube. However, many oocytes fall into the pelvic cavity and die there.